Here's a Samsung Galaxy S26. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is turn it on, press and hold that power button, keep holding until it starts booting up. Once you're at the welcome screen, go ahead and tap down here to your language. Go ahead and choose your language. I'm good with English. And I'm going to tap on start. For your review, go ahead and read through these. These first two must be checked in order to continue. This one down here is optional. For myself, I'm not going to choose that one. I'm going to leave it just like this, and I will choose agree for myself. Easy setup with another device. Sign in automatically and copy settings, accounts, and more from another phone or tablet. Keep your other phone or tablet nearby and unlocked if you want to do it that way, okay? And you can, it doesn't matter if you have an Android phone or a Samsung Galaxy phone, iPhone, iPad. But for myself, this is a clean, fresh install on this phone, so I'm going to set up manually for myself. Going to connect to my Wi-Fi. You can skip if you don't currently have any Wi-Fi, but I'm going to connect to mine right now. I'm going to input my Wi-Fi password, and then I'll tap on connect. Connect to a mobile network. Now this is where you can go ahead and put a physical SIM card or use a eSIM on here, or you can do all this after setup. For myself, I'm going to do it after setup. In another video, I'll make how to insert a physical SIM card after you do the setup. So for this part for myself, I'm going to go ahead and skip. Copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. If you want to do that, tap on next. For me, I'm going to put on, like I said, it's a fresh, clean install for me, so I'm going to click on don't copy. Sign in for your Google account, basically your Gmail. I don't remember my password, so I'm just going to skip this and just do this one another time. Protect your phone. You can do a PIN. You can even do a PIN, a fingerprint, and a face recognition, whatever you want. But for this video, I'm just going to do a PIN. You can skip it, but I mean, put in some kind of password, PIN, password, or pattern. We're just going to do I'm going to do a PIN here, 6 digits, and then tap on continue. Insert it one more time, and then press on OK. Google services, go ahead and read through these. These are all optional here. So it's up to you. I'm fine with having all those toggled on. I will tap on accept. Sign into your Samsung account. You can do this now, or you can do it another time. For myself, I'm just going to do it another time. So I'm going to skip this part for myself, and I'm going to tap on forgot password. I don't have an account here, and just set up later in settings. And of course, some of the reasons why you need a Samsung account, you can read through that, and I'm going to skip for now. Samsung services, go ahead and read through this. It's up to you. I'm fine with all those 3 checked, and I will tap on agree. Read that, and you can enter your birthday and then select next. Choose your display mode. Do you like this light mode, or do you like this dark mode? Okay, most of you guys are going to go with dark. I'm going to go with dark as well, and I will tap on next, and voila. Let me tap on, you can tap on what's new here. Let me just tap on go home, and there we are, we're in business.